So guys, we're gonna play it again. We're gonna play it again.
Sabihin ng mama ninyo, andito siya, sa Cagayan ako. Na,
Wait, what was that, guys? What is it? Okay, takes so long.
Nung tinanong natin siya, hindi siya makasagot ng diretso. Tapos one day, bigla na lang kayo lilipat ng ibang bahay. At saka ito, kung may ginagawa kang masama o nakakahiya, aamin ka ba kapag kinumpronta ka kahit wala ka namang ebidensya? Kaya nga.
This is so long.
Tayo nakita ng ilo sa po ni Papa. Kung wala naman talagang pagit. Kaya rin na kapag ko pa sinasabi sa inyo, something's wrong. Yes. Very wrong na hindi sila mag-celebrate ang anniversary nila.
This is the most
Kaya naman, I have a new
hot.
plan. Magpapa-surprise party tayo sa kanila bago pumunta si Papa sa Cagayan. Siyempre,
This is so
20 years
long.
na silang kasal.
This was the
Kailangan
50
kakaiba.
hour. Oh wait,
Kailangan bongga.
there we go.
1,000 pesos per hour, pero walang papatin dyan. Kasi hindi lang naman
So this is our house.
pinag-iipunan ko.
Like,
Pati yung 20th anniversary ni Mama at Papa.
finally fresh air.
Aha! Tingnan nyo na, ang galing-galing ko. Dahil sa pagpupost ko sa buong
So
video,
we
may
go
first
back to the
client na
wait.
ako.
I would. Oh wait, I would. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weapons, except for the hoe. Because hoe is actually useless. So I'm gonna cook this. I'm gonna cook this. Okay. How you craft bread again? Like this. Oh. That's it. So I'm gonna go back to the village. Like
sorry,
you.
I didn't mean to.
Ikaw na naman.
Oh, I have a horsey now. I have a horsey now.
Pasensya na po, naghahanap buhay. May mga bagay talaga.
Do I need to tell adult?
It's funny you say that.
Is it going night time?
My God, that was so 1999. That was so last century.
Yo, that is
was
cool.
so third year high school. Hanggang ngayon, dinidibdib mo pa din.
Oh yeah, it's going
How
night.
immature.
Don't call me immature.
Dahil wala naman nangyari.
May nangyari. Kasi pinag-inisya ka lang.
Basta, wala akong naalala sa nangyari.
Mas mapama ako.
Sun is super bright.
Pupilitan natin.
MLG. Oh! So I need to find love. Oh, I'm hungry.
Tapang mo nga nasa sa hindi ka ba natatakot na ako?
So I need to find lava to create obsidian to go to the nether.
Crush mo kita. Gusto ba nasa
I
mga
don't want to make it. Ringin. Like, why is there water? Maybe there's people like, I don't know.
Hello? Yes, this is your tutor.
How? Okay, I will never
Hello,
kill that. Jackpot. I just hit the jackpot.
Sama-sama kami kahit anong nangyari.
Yep. 3 emerald. Okay, trade for this.
Mrs. Salazar?
Can anyone trade for this? Can anyone?
Thank you so much for coming, ma'am. And thank
Let
you
me
for
trade
letting us
with this
organize
guy.
the 50th Foundation Day celebration of our alma mater.
Oo naman ma'am, wala po yun. At saka di ba alam naman po natin kung
What?
ano pa tayo sa funds para po doon sa expenses.
This guy is a scammer,
Buti
boy.
na lang po meron po isang alumnus na nag-donate
What
ng
the
pera.
daba?
Batchmate niyo po, si Mr. Edwin Benson.
Oy,
Nandito na po din siya eh.
trade.
Ano? Ma'am,
Bago na nga.
Oh my gosh, Edwin!
Wait, what kind of, what the heck did I just buy? Why you aspect too? Okay, I will never kill this guy. So you guys remember the another report that I forgot where is it?
Ang high school best friend at first love ng mga mo.
Ring it. Where is my home? Guys, we will go to the cave. The cave.
wala nang possibility na nagkamali na yan.
And there it is. Oy, oy, oy. Okay, I have my pickaxe. Okay. This might be super dangerous.
Order lang kayo ha. Special lang ako. Special.
Ring.
Si Chad.
But it's super dangerous. I could die.
Kami sa contact sa inyo. O ha? Order lang kayo.
So there's a lot of iron in there. I'm gonna take the risk. Alibanga! Uy. Ayun. Go. Oh yeah. This is life right here. Wow, there's a lot. Oh my gosh. I just hit the jackpot. Oh. Uy! Stupid. Oh no. Oh, you can't dance me. Apple! Where am I going? Come here.
Ay, ba yung kapit mo? Ay, Berlin
Come
na!
here.
Ano nagawa kay mama to?
Come here.
Hello?
Is die.
Yung tatay ko, patay malanding
I'm gonna die. Give me this iron. Give me this. Mapa here.
Naghalikan ba? Hindi.
And to explore more. Oh, there's is actually a lot of.
Bad news.
Oh no.
Wala pa akong mahanap na mag-tutor. Wala akong maiambag sa kaban. Oy, bakit ganyan mga mukha niyo? Wala pa rin kayong mga ambag? Ano?
Yun, mga.
Ano? Nandito ka? Teka, isa-isa. Dumating yung ex ni Mama sa Aspa?
Yes, first love ni Mama, confirmed by Tita Rosa.
Yan ba yung gusto niyo?
Whoa, baby.
Yup, and I get it. Sophisticated,
I'm gonna die.
well-educated na naman. Habang yung tatay natin, simple.
I'm gonna die.
Buti na lang gwapo.
Ate, gwapo din yung ex.
I'm gonna die.
Nakita mo sila kanina. Sobrang saya nila.
Come
Parang
here.
sila in love.
Come here.
Unlike Mama and
Come here.
Papa na palaging nag-aaway.
Well, you know,
Camila,
it
come
would
here.
be really hard to be happy, sweet, and
I'm
loving
gonna
because
die.
you're cheating on her with his voice.
Ano?
Come here.
Hindi
Bam.
ako pakalikan nila. Kasi di ba wala tayong mahanap na Linda sa phone ni
Bam.
Papa. Pero may clue tayo. Sabi ni
Bam.
Mama,
Bam.
katrabaho ni Papa si
Bam.
Linda. So I did some research.
Bam.
Linda Malvar
Bam.
ang pangalan ng boss ni Papa.
Well,
Eto,
my
ipapalit ni Papa
axe
kay
is
Mama.
gonna.
Mukhang tita ni
Ano,
Papa.
durability. I don't know how to say the word.
Pero siya nagbigay ng trabaho kay Papa. So tingin ko na mababae
She's
si
old?
Papa para sa pera. I don't know what else to think. Mas okay ba kung nabababae siya for love?
Hindi. Yan sa akin lang, hinay-hinay lang. Paano kung
Mingin.
Okay, pero ang weird
I'm getting out of here.
Kakasabi mo lang din na nakita mo may kayakap na babae si Papa. Oh my goodness, may isa pa? Palala ng palala.
I'm out of here.
Tama pa bang ituloy natin tong surprise party na to?
This is not the way.
It's fine.
We are left all my woods. Oh, ko na, right?
May kilala ako.
Go fake.
Secret agent.
Oh, no. Tungtong sa hort. No. I'm gonna die.
Pagdating na Maribu Gayong is...
I don't care about Aya anymore.
So nice to see you. Just a bet. Bet na lang. Hirap na hirap.
There is a escape thing like that, then I go up. I'm risking it. I am gonna die, but I'm gonna not.
Ito nga pala yung mga alaga ko. Buka. Si Teddy at si Alex.
I will not die.
Sino ang pag-iimbestigahan ninyo? Pag-iimbestigahan
Yum.
sana namin yung papa namin. Kasi mukha akong may dalawang
Escape
kapit.
plan.
Yung isa taga-Cagayan, yung isa taga-dito.
There, I actually see like 3 iron and 2 iron. So that's equal to 5 iron.
Pakapay na to. Ayun lang. Patiguin naman. May babae din ang mama ninyo? Wala po.
Tungtong to
Parang
sa-
binabalikan siya ng ex niya.
Yum.
Okay.
Bam. What I placed? Oh my god, I literally escaped that from that.
Video ka.
Huh?
Video ka.
I escaped that from that, bro. Look how many freaking of that, bro. I mean, I have broken. Go to my house. Jingle bells, yan ang minye. Invincible. Wait, where's my house again? I miss my bad kid, bro. I forgot where's the roof bottle. I forgot where's the lone portal. Shut it down or I take it down. What will you have after? Oh, it's kidding, like. Shut it down or I take it down. It's becoming night. Oh yeah. Some irons. It's night. Okay. Guys, let's now say goodbye, and we will back again for like 2 hours. So bye. You. Woo.